the strands in your eyes that color them wonderful, stop me, steal my breath. Emeralds from mountains thrust toward the sky, never revealing their depth. Tell me that we belong together. Dress it up with the trappings of a love. I'll be captivated. I'll hang from your lips instead of the gallows of heartache that hang from above. I'll be your crying shoulder. I'll be the lover's suicide. I'll be captivated.